Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money online from Facebook Pro. There are many creators who have success in earning money from Facebook. These creators purely get money from Facebook. In this video, we will provide example of content that you can imitate, duplicate, and make money from Facebook. The first step is that you must have a Facebook account first. Then change the account to professional account following way. After that, you can create content like this. This content that has been successfully monetized and earning money from Facebook. This content is quite easy to create using handphone or laptop.
Oh, cara bersihkan ikan pari itu dari bagian atas. Aku kira dari samping. Ternyata prosesnya kayak gini nih, udah ahli nih. Oh.
Record your daily activities. This step is the safe compared to taking other people's footage. Look for information or news from other site. Then you type the quote or conclusion of the news. Then you edit it according to your style and imagination. After this, you upload it to Facebook Reels. You continue to do this step for the next 30 days and rest assured you will get an invitation to make money from Facebook. Maybe that's all our tutorial in this video. Good luck.